So how to add multiple stops on Waze. So to go ahead and add multiple destinations, it's very simple to do. So first things first is you'll want to go ahead and add your final destination into Waze like normal. So for the example of this video, let's say we want to go to Brighton. And then of course from here it shows you the route to Brighton from where you are, and then it showcases you the journey and the usual arrival time. Now let's say you wanted to add a stop before you get to Brighton, so you wanted to add an additional stop. You'll just want to click below here, and then it should open you up to this menu page. And where it says add a stop here, if you click the magnifying glass, you can then go ahead and add your other stop. So for example, let's say you want to go to London before Brighton. So you'll go ahead and search London, click view routes, select go now, and there you have it. And if you open up the map, you should see the full route showcased. So as you can see on our map, it takes us towards London before onwards to Brighton. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.